Hi, and welcome to this course. Why would a distributor join a direct sales company? There might be various reasons why a distributor would like to join a direct sales company. Some join to earn an additional sum of money temporarily, while others join with a long-term career goal to work exclusively with a said direct sales company. In this video, we will show you some differences between a legitimate direct sales company and an illegal scam direct sales company, also known as a pyramid schemes. Just because a company has some of the characteristics that will be shown in this video doesn't make it legal or illegal. All factors must be considered, and a determination must be made accordingly. Locally registered entity. It's not required in all jurisdictions, but a pyramid scheme typically won't register a company. B and its associated legal entities are registered in close to 10 jurisdictions and are continuously expanding their presence. Legality. Legit direct sales companies allow individuals to own their businesses where all commission is based on the real sale of products and services. Pyramid scheme-based companies are illegal, with most people exchanging money and little focus on the real product or acquiring customers. B is a legal direct sales company with a legal presence on 5 continents. Customer support services. B has impeccable customer support services and highly trained customer support executives. Our customer support team is available 24/7, all days of the year. Tax registration. A legit direct sales company will have a proper tax registration and pay applicable taxes. Pyramid scheme-based companies have no registration and often engage in money laundering and other illegal activities. B is registered for national and international taxation purposes and files its returns as applicable. Direct purchasing from the company. Customers can purchase products or services directly from the company without the need to go through a distributor. In pyramid scheme-based companies, you will need to find a distributor of the company to make a purchase. In B, a customer does not need to come through a distributor to buy a product or service from the company. Upfront inventory. There is no upfront inventory requirement at B. Mandatory ongoing purchases. There is no mandatory ongoing purchase requirement at B. Mandatory requirement for distributors to regularly purchase products and services. No such requirement exists at B. Contract and legal documents. Pyramid scheme-based companies often operate in the shadows. B has an active internal legal department and constantly takes assistance from external legal counsel and international law firms to develop its legal documents and contracts. B takes its contractual and legal relationship with its distributors very seriously. Robust compliance and legal team. Legitimate companies have a visible legal and compliance team that actively monitors the compliance of the company as well as distributors. Since pyramid schemes are scams, they won't invest in such human resources. B has an in-house compliance team, internal compliance SOP, and continuous training programs and technology tools to assist distributors to adhere to compliance requirements. B also offers a free compliance and awareness course for all its distributors. Physical office. B has a physical office in all those jurisdictions where it has a significant presence. Member of Direct Selling Association. B is a proud member of DSA in the UAE. Commission paid on recruitment of new distributors. It's a critical indicator of a pyramid scheme. At B, no commission or compensation is earned for the mere recruitment of another distributor. Provides return on investment, ROI, type products and services. No ROI is either promised or provided. B does not deal in such offerings. Real customers and demand for products and services in the market. The products and services promoted by B have a genuine market demand, and B has a significant number of customers buying those products and services. Company to buy back unsold inventory. No inventory can be purchased in advance in B. Therefore, the question of buyback of inventory does not even arise. Emphasis on recruitment rather than selling the products or services to customers. It's a critical indicator of a pyramid scheme. Although the recruitment of new distributors is the inherent nature of the direct sales business, B keeps an emphasis on getting new customers. The company guarantees minimum earnings without much effort. It's a critical indicator of a pyramid scheme. No such guarantees are provided at B. Just like with any other business, the distributors need to put time, effort, and resources to grow their individual businesses. There is no quick get-rich scheme at B. By understanding these characteristics and contrasts between a legitimate direct sales company like B and illegal pyramid schemes, you can make informed decisions when choosing to join a direct sales company. It is crucial to do your research and carefully assess the company's credibility and legitimacy before becoming a distributor.